Winged liner is not for everyone, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you 6 different types of eyeliner where you don't need a wing. There are wingless eyeliners and are so easy to pull off. So without further delay, let's begin. Hey everyone, it's me Smeen here. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the simplest one, the tight line. For this I am going to be using the kajal pencil in black. I am going to use the cotton bud to gently lift my lash line while I line my waterline. It almost looks like you have a thick lash band and it looks really clean and a big difference. As you can see, here is the before and here is after. Next we are moving for the basic, and for this I am going to be using this liquid liner pen by H36 Arts, and I am going to lay it flat on my lash line and simply stamp it. I am stamping it all the way from the inner to the outer lashes. This is something that's simple, basic, classic, but looks really elegant. You can watch many interesting makeup videos on my YouTube channel. After watching this video, please like and share my video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. So here is the final basic classic eyeliner look. Next we have the soft eyeliner, and for this I am using a black, super black kajal pencil. You can use whatever you have. I am going to apply randomly it on my lash line. No need to do it neatly because I am going to smudging this anyway, and now with smudging with Q-tip, I am going to smudging this, softening it up. This looks super nice and soft. It will take only 2 minutes, and here is the final look. It's so soft and clean. Then we have ombre. It also looks nice, and for this I am using the same pencil. I am just applying it on my lash line, and then I am going to take some brown shadow and I am blending it to the very outer corner. It will lift your outer corner. Here is no wing, but it looks so much more softer than a traditional wing. Now I am going to take a little bit of concealer with a flat definer brush, and I am going to clean up the outer edge. That is going to give you a sharp edge but a softened outer corner. Next we have a smoky outer with a small angled brush. I am taking super gel eyeliner. I am going to apply it in the outer V, so it is going to be in the top and bottom lash lines, only in the outer corners. Then I am going to blend it with a small brush. Blending this soften it up. This looks super soft and nice. I am going to smoke this out. You can check this green eye makeup look. This is so beautiful. Here is the smoky outer is done and it's beautiful. Next we have the raised. For this technique I am again using Kashi's gel eyeliner. I am going to start with the outer end, and then I am going to apply this in a simple way, as you can see. So it is going to appear raised in the outer corner, which always gives you that outer corner small winged effect without it being a wing, and it's so much more than easier than doing a wing. Those are 6 different ways to do an eyeliner without a wing. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Thank you so much. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny my heart is always with